Imagine a controversy so potent that it shakes up the very foundation of a state's political landscape. This is the story of the recent uproar in Maharashtra, the heartland of Indian politics, involving the state assembly, the deputy chief minister, and a pro-Maratha quota activist. A saga that began with a controversial statement and spiraled into a full-blown investigation. In the center of this storm stands Manoj Patil, a pro-Maratha quota activist who, during a gathering in Antarwali Sarati village, made contentious remarks against Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Claiming that Fadnavis was trying to harm him, Jarange Patil declared his intention to march to Mumbai and protest outside the Deputy CM's residence. He also made cryptic references to an alleged poisoning attempt. Enter Ashish Shelar, a Bharatiya Janata Party MLA, who brought these remarks to light during the lower house proceedings. Shelar condemned the use of provocative language and demanded an investigation into the orchestrators behind Jarange Patil's actions, accusing them of attempting to create unrest in Maharashtra. As the controversy escalated, Maharashtra Assembly Speaker Rahul Narvekar stepped in. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, he instructed the state government to establish a special investigation team for a comprehensive inquiry into Jarange Patil's remarks against Fadnavis. In response to the allegations, Fadnavis expressed confidence in the support of the entire Maratha community and underscored the SIT's role in uncovering the source behind Jarange Patil's statements. The assembly saw a brief pause in proceedings as ruling alliance members alleged a conspiracy to incite violence, prompting Narvekar to call for a short break. Upon resumption, he directed the government to form an SIT for a thorough investigation into Jarange Patil's remarks. Jarange Patil, unfazed by these developments, insisted on a thorough investigation, confident of his innocence. He also called for an inquiry into the Lathi charge on Maratha protesters in Antarwali Sarati the previous year. The controversy took another turn when the BJP leader accused NCP patriarch Sharad Pawar of supporting the Maratha activist, an accusation Pawar brushed off as childish. This controversy, with its myriad twists and turns, underscores the volatile nature of politics. It serves as a reminder that words have power and, when used irresponsibly, can spark a firestorm of controversy. As the SIT begins its investigation, the entire nation watches, waiting to see what the outcome will be. Will it reveal a conspiracy, or will it prove Jarange Patil's innocence? Only time will tell.